Okay. Me and my man, we're all going outside. Outside. We are going outside.
Me and my goons, we got guns, we shooting for the stars. The game needed life, I put my heart in it, cause I can let them kill the vibe. No, enough you watch them kill the vibe. But my people, I can let them kill the vibe. No, enough you watch them kill the vibe. For my people, kick the eyes and keep screaming, they ain't the fight. We getting stars for me and my goons, we never satisfied. So every day we going extra miles to see the light. Say every day we pushing extra hard to shine the light for all of my people. Gotta shine a light for all of my people. I'm just trying to shine a light for all of these people. Yeah, shine a light for all of my people. The ones that I live for, the ones that believe in me since I was still little. I got those ones where they play my songs, they worry about my whereabouts. Goodness to the kingdom, y'all, the king is back, the king is back. Reminiscing about him, she just got me feeling grateful now. Looking back at all the things where we don't survive. You can tell that this lifestyle is just divine. Me and my goons, we got guns, we shooting for the stars. The game needed life, I put my heart in it cause I can.
Oh man, I'm active. Oh man, I'm active.
Too short to my me day bell. Too sure you were gonna day bell. Straight forward, I no get to kill. Go yeah yo, go say go. 247 me a day yo. You know strong, make you day for day kill. Mungo no ori me day yo. Can't go, Moduro can't go. Oti peti moti sanleo. I've been active, I jam me side.
Believe.
Don't play.
Yes, this is major.
Don't play.
Ẹ̀yin tèmi ẹ jẹ́ ká jayé o, ayé kan ló wà kó sáyé o.